What do we have next on the schedule?
The only thing left is a spider, buddy.
I'm slowly bringing this thing out.
Look at it. I'm gonna put it on.
I saw a leg. Oh no! Oh, is there two? Oh, there's two.
Was it two?
No, tell me that's not two.
It looks like two. Yes, I'll do it.
Are we doing it together?
Yeah, of course.
Crow.
All right, open up this nasty package here.
I want to smell it, but I'm afraid one's going to crawl out and get my nose.
Is it two or is it just one cut in half?
It's most certainly two.
All right. Oh.
Uh-oh. I'm trying to get it out.
Yeah.
Come on. Come
on.
It's
like pieces of it.
Oh, it's furry. I'm so... Oh, he broke off another leg. Oh. I'm so stressed right now.
Come on, Nancy. Let's do it. Oh, oh my God. Looks like two dates just fell out. Two plums. Oh my God. What is it? Looks atrocious.
There's a leg that went somewhere.
No. Oh, it's like a science experiment. It's just gone wrong. Oh.
See all that?
Never mind. I changed my mind when I said I agreed to do this.
All right, which one do you want, big or little?
Little.
He's an ugly son of a...
Sweet baby Jesus. What about...
There's nothing appetizing. Oh, I touched it.
Oh, God. This is so stupid.
I can see its mandibles.
Oh, yeah. I can see it. How did all the legs break off? Here, you want to try? You want to do a leg first?
Look at this thing. Oh, I'm shaking. Can I break its mandibles off first?
No. You just gotta do the whole thing.
No,
if you start breaking it apart, it's just gonna make it worse.
Its fangs?
Yes. Then you have more pieces to eat.
Dude, I got like centimeter fangs over here.
Well, look, so do I. And I got.
Are we just gonna eat the legs?
No, we're gonna eat the whole thing. But look, I got a bunch.
We're gonna eat the whole thing.
Yeah, but I got a bunch of legs that are. Oh God, it's so furry. Here, look. Do you have a leg? Break a leg off, and we'll just try a leg. Because all my legs are.
Oh, it broke! I'm sorry, pal.
Okay, it scared me. What you got? We're just gonna do the body. I'm not doing the body, then the legs. So first, I'm gonna do the whole thing. I'm just gonna do it.
Like the whole thing all at once.
Well, I'm not gonna two bite it because that's. Oh.
All right, so the whole thing, one time.
All right.
You ready?
You ready?
No.
I was gonna pop it in and start chewing as fast as I can. 7 bites maximum. I'm gonna swallow it, or it's gonna come up. There's no other options.
I'm gonna tell you right now, never had a chicken like this.
I never had a chicken with no fangs on it.
Oh my God.
You ready?
No.
Okay, me either. You want to just want to lick it first?
No. It doesn't have chocolate on it. It's not covered in anything. Oh God. Yeah. All right. Here we go.
All right, here we go.
1.
All right.
Wait a minute. Hold on. What are we doing? What is it? All 3, or do we count backwards?
No.
Is it a countdown?
1, 2, 3.
Go. 1, 2, 3.
Put
bite.
it in your mouth.
Okay. That's what she said. All right.
You ready? I hate this.
This is so stupid. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, it's hard. Oh,
it's so bad. Just like, oh God. It was like a. Don't stop gagging. You're making it. It's like I'll just spit a piece out.
It's so hairy.
It's like a furry dust ball.
I can't get it, dude. I can't get it.
Just swallow it. You did it.
Nope.
You did it.
Woo. Woo.
You did it.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's kind of it's sitting really poorly in my stomach right now. I'm not gonna lie. It is really. The worst part was I coughed a little bit and a little piece of furry leg flew out.
I feel like I busted a blood vessel in my eye.
I think you did. Oh,
Wow.
just the best / worst day of my life.